Greetings to anybody that is still actually watching anything I would post on YouTube or who would see this. I have decided to get back into YouTube. I originally planned on doing certain things that might interest friends of mine who've recommended that I do some gameplay. It's something that my younger brother wants to do, and he's talked about it enough to get me interested in doing it. However, he himself has not yet done it either. My nephew is really into it, and thought he might enjoy it as well. He watches Minecraft videos all the time. The appeal for me for Minecraft is creating your own ideas, putting them into a 3D environment that you can stand around in. The creativity is seemingly endless, both in vanilla Minecraft, modded Minecraft, different packs such as TechEd, or what I'm doing right now is Yogscast Complete. And, you know, part of what I was originally getting into here with saying this is that my plan was to do that, especially first, because I didn't really plan on being in front of the camera again. But here I find myself doing the same thing I used to do years ago, where I do the whole talky thing, and now I'm talking your ears off and gabbing. I'll try to keep it short because I've got a sandwich right there, and I'm going to have a nighttime snack before I go to bed. But this video is more so an introduction to prep people for me doing this. It's not all I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be doing any particular game, though Minecraft would likely be. I spend a lot of time on it, so I could see myself sharing quite a bit of that. Also, I just know that there's so many people that just enjoy passively watching that. I don't really know why. I even find myself doing it some. I even do it with the Chromecast on the television. I could plug the laptop into the TV, of course. I got a special cord here on the wall for it. But, you know, the Chromecast is kind of a $35 thing. A lot of people have been using it. I might even do a review of that at some point if anybody's really interested to know, since that's a lot of what I used to do. But anyway, I'm going to do with this video, per recommendation of my brother, prep you guys for this, and then also do kind of an unboxing, opening video, at least show you the product of the microphone that I plan on using. Right now I'm using the built-in speaker on the iSight, on the iSight camera speaker on the iMac. I've used that and the one that's on various laptops that I've had, and Apple laptops, and I know that audio quality, especially when you're not even on the screen, when it's about the game, then it becomes what you're putting into it, besides the game visualization, is your voice. And so that, you know, people kind of prioritize a good microphone. I actually bought this for my brother Harley. He will be using it primarily whenever he does his videos. I may have to get another one if that ends up being a problem, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot because it's been sitting in a package since Christmas. It is now June, and I will get that package, show it to you in a minute, and after I will get it set up and running, and I'll record another segment of video using that microphone, and we can maybe instantly tell what the difference is. Maybe there won't be much of a difference. It's even got a pop filter on it. I don't think I got a stand for it. I think I did. Maybe I didn't. Anyway, I'll go get the product. Okay, so without my face in the image, we've got this pop filter, and it's got kind of a clamp on it. Very simple thing called, it's from Natty Audio, and just got it on Amazon. I don't even remember what I paid for it, but I know that this wasn't too much of an expense. I mean, I've seen some pretty ghetto homemade pop filters before anyway. This one is the CAD professional microphones, USB, I guess U37 or something, and had good reviews on Amazon. There was a few instances of things of it breaking. I can't remember if the casing on it is metal or plastic, but people were worried that it didn't appear as professional. It wasn't like aluminum or something like some of the professional ones are. However, almost everybody said that in all practicality, when using it, it had the same audio output and quality of a good quality studio microphone for a much lower price. And I'm hoping that's a proper stand and everything, but yeah. So this is the microphone. I could open it up, but I mean, I don't know. People don't really do opening videos anymore, and there's nothing fancy to this packaging, just, you know, a whole bunch of plastic that probably isn't necessary. So I'm going to put this together, and the next clip should be with a different audio quality. Okay, well, I just kind of threw it together. Did have a stand that it's pretty decent for a desktop setup. One that would come over the top might be better just for viewing of the screen. The pop filter, I mean, I don't know optimal distances or anything like that, nor do I really know the direction of the microphone, except that I assume that the front of it faces you. I kind of just looked at the picture on the thing, and that seemed to be how it seemed to work. I don't know if it sounds better or not. I didn't really have a good way of doing immediate feedback. So I'm going to listen to the two clips myself now and then give you my thoughts. Okay, so something I was going to do, and I'm now using the internal microphone again on the computer, was I was going to do a quick test without video interruption and click between the two microphones as I speak. That's impossible. Apparently, iMovie, as I'm using it to capture video, attunes itself to a certain microphone when you start to record. If you switch the microphone midstream, the computer may switch what microphone it would use, but it doesn't affect the application, the program running. So I'm going to do, well, I'm doing this right now, and I'm going to kind of say the word pop. And I know that one of the only things that stands out with my speech when I listen to myself is my S sounds seem to be really hissy or something. So I don't really know any good things to say to bring that out, but I'm sure it's come out in my speech just now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to kind of talk a minute with the other microphone on. So another thing to keep in mind here is that I didn't do anything to modify any of the settings. This is all out of box. Didn't modify either the iSight microphone that's built in the iMac, or I guess the word would be the internal microphone, or the the CAD microphone here. There are a couple switches on it. One's a bass reduction switch to help reduce room noise. I don't have any room noise. In fact, it's so much better without. On this microphone, it's so much better than the internal microphone on the computer. However, there's also a -10, I'm guessing a -10 decibel setting. So if things get a little loud and noisy, maybe you can just reduce it instantly. But while I talk here, I guess why not push the button. I think I'm going to hit the bass button now and just see what that does to the sound, just in case you were curious. I'm going to put it back now, and I'm also going to hit the -10 decibel button now. So I don't know what that would have done or not done, but I haven't done anything except hit that switch. So I'm just going to put it back to the regular factory setting, because honestly it was heaps better than the internal microphone on the iMac. Another thing that I was going to state is that this is like late at night. I had a lot of things I had to do today, so I didn't go out of my way to prepare for this video at all. So I'm looking about as bad as humanly possible. So I apologize for that. And in many of the videos coming up, I don't plan on actually being in the video, though I don't mind it, because I'm just used to that, I guess, even though it's been years. So I will catch you guys later.